Happy holidays, love bugs. Today I'm teaming up with Nadula Hair, and I just want to remind you that Black Friday is around the corner. You can enter code YTB to get 20% off at checkout on their site. Also, code YTB gift is a forever code with a tiered discount. All details are in the description box. Happy holidays, and more importantly, happy shopping.
Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, my name is Ashley B. Deck. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I've teamed up with Nadula and we got some upgrades. This beautiful girl here is a wig, if you didn't already know. Of course you knew, but this one here is their 24-inch highlight balayage body wave lace wig. She comes with this beautiful color and curl all ready to go. She is a 7x5 closure with a no slip upgraded technology. This means that your cap is constructed around the nape as well as right here at the crown with a technology that's going to keep your wig in place. 3 strips right here at the crown and a ear-to-ear upgrade. They're like little strips and they literally hold onto your head like glue, except this is a glueless wig. The elastic band is nice and thin and upgraded, and there's also the drawstring at the nape, so you have no problem with a glueless fit that does not slide back. Today we're going to be doing a straight out of the box start to finish install. In it you'll see me do a full straight out of the box install in about 10 minutes or less. We're going to melt the hair down and do a nice lace tint to match our skin. We included some wispy baby hair out of preference. From there we did go ahead and add a little bit of layer in the front. It looks perfect as is, but I just wanted a little bit of that curtain bang heavy 70s vibe at the front, and then I went ahead and left the ends in that natural state, and you can see how beautiful and curly they are. Everything about this one is so flawless. You guys already know Nadula is one of the best and most popular hair brands on the market, and all of the upgrades they included in this wig are chef's kiss. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Here is a close-up of the hairline. This one is not going anywhere. It's nice and sturdy. Now when you put your wig on, it's like where you plop it, it's gonna stay and not move back, if that makes any slip. And that's what makes it so amazing, because again, we're about to party all season long and you want to make sure your wig is always in place. Look at that color pattern. I've talked enough. Let's go ahead and put her on and get to it.
You special and she reckless.
This is what she looks like from the back. I haven't brushed it out or anything, but you can see how beautiful and high quality the color and the texture is. You can always grab the drawstring, lift, pull, find your stopper and adjust it. Super simple and easy. Then you just lift and tuck and put it back under. And now your wig is perfectly installed. And should you be out and about, I'll just show you guys. I'm not gonna look at the camera, I'm not gonna look at the mirror. And I can just literally find it, lift my wig up, pull it out. And if it's too tight, I will grab that stopper and pull it down just to give myself some relief. But also if it's too loose, I can go ahead and grab it, find that stopper, make it as tight as I need, kind of check around and make sure it's how you like it, lift and tuck, and your wig is nice and adjusted for a perfect custom glueless fit for your head shape. Okay, so before we play with the curls, I really want to focus on the hairline. That to me is really the bread and butter when it comes to a nice wig install. Having that hairline be super flawless, I mean literally it can look crazy on the ends, but that hairline, if it's snatched, you still will get compliments. Okay, so we can pull the wig back, and I can't stress this enough, I like to add a hairspray, so go ahead and melt the lace.
You're my bestest friend, yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, but I don't bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Oh, yeah. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright.
look at when you comb it out. I'm especially paying attention to the back where I did not touch it up. It has so much bounce and body. If you're going on like vacation and you're worried about if your curls are gonna come out fine, or just an event, in any kind of event, this one here is definitely a great option. Okay, really quickly, let's do 2 quick hairstyles in order to show you guys a little bit of the versatility of this wig. You guys already know number one is always going to be a updo. This is going to help you to be able to elevate the style, give you a look, a classy, cute style, while still, you know, being you and not having to be a stylist. Make sure to pull any pieces that may be showing your real hair. Of course, you want to pull out a little bang if that's your preference, like so. Quick and easy style, under 2 minutes. And this is what she looks like from the back. Super cute, right? Okay, so we just took down the clip. Now we can do the same thing but a bun. This is a closure wig, so you don't want to show off your sideburns. So you want to be able to kind of like push it around the ear in a more controlled way so that your real hair isn't showing your sideburns unless you want them to. And now it's kind of pushed to the back. Now we're just going to twist the hair. And the great thing about twisting the hair is that it's almost like a protective style for your curl. And then you just take your favorite scrunchie. And I like to go around in a double. This is one of those styles that looks amazing with, like, you guys know, like the pearl clips and things like that, just to add a little bit of elegance to it. And now super simple, you have a nice low bun. This is what that looks like from the back. Nothing is showing. And then if you want, you can just pull your little piece, your little bang back. But this looks super cute, straight out of your face, off your neck, especially when it's time to cook for the holidays. Super cute. Okay, now you take out the low bun. And to me, this, like, twisting up the curls like that will help to preserve the curls if all else fails when it comes to like protecting your hair when it's raining, or even like when you're in the shower or sleeping. A lot of times you don't have time to use a whole full like flexi rods or something like that, and you just want something quick and easy that's gonna keep as much of the curl as possible. And I feel like buns, just like Bantu knots. Now we can do a higher ponytail, and I did find a satin scrunchie, which is always a better option.
Ay, ay.
Now if you want to add some height and layer to your hair, a quick half up, half down is always going to win. I like mine a little messy. Like, I don't like it to be too perfect or uniform unless like I have somewhere to go that requires that. But this just makes so that when the day happens, and so much happens throughout my day, that any perfection that comes about, it's already a messy look, so it's meant to look like a masterpiece. So in any regards, if a kid pulls at my hair or anything, it goes, if that makes any sense. And this is what the half down looks like. Super simple and easy to achieve. And this is what that looks like from the back. And there you have it, 3 simple styles to elevate your look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.